Hi, this is Howard Fearon, your online marketing realtor, and we're going to be taking a look at 400 Seminary in Wheaton, Illinois. As we walk in this home, we can see that there's a lot of nice sunshine that comes in. It all depends on how the shades are. We have an east exposure over here into the dining room, and we have a nice north exposure into the family room. Here is your view as you come in the back door. Not only do you have a nice coat closet right here for all your needs, but look at all these cabinets. Look at stainless steel, double ovens. I have a fireplace over here, lots of sunlight. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful home. Only at $999,000. And to the left is the master ensuite. Double bowls, nice private room, walk-in shower, additional closet space. Take a look at this beautiful walk. You know, I had to step out on this balcony over here. This is on the third level, and you take a look. Grammar school is right over there. You've got so much down here. Walk down the street, you could be at some of the parks. You got the school right there. You've got all of downtown just behind you. I hope you enjoyed the preview of 400 Seminary, Wheaton, Illinois. Any questions, call